How to import module when module name has a dash dash or hyphen in it. I want to import foobar.py, this works. This does not. My question, is there any way that I can use the above format, i.e., from foobar import to import a module that has a in it?
In Python 2, you can't. Foobar is not an identifier. Rename the file to foo_bar.py. It's possible since Python 3.1+, see Julian's answer. If import is not your goal, as in, you don't care what happens with sys.modules, you don't need it to import itself, just getting all of the file's globals into your own scope, you can use exit file.
Starting from Python 3.1, you can use importlib. This URL
Solution: if you can't rename the module to match Python naming conventions, create a new module to act as an intermediary. New module foo_proxy.py. Module doing the import main.py.
If you can't rename the original file, you could also use a symlink. Then you can just do
technology